In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring back the profile selector when clicking on Chrome. If your Chrome browser used to show the profile selection screen when opening, but now it goes straight into one profile, don't worry. This is a very simple setting to turn back on, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open so you can access the profile settings from the main window. This option is tied to the profile menu, so you'll want to begin from the standard Chrome homepage or any tab you already have open. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right area of the browser window and click on your profile icon. This is the small picture or profile symbol that represents the account currently being used in Chrome. When you click it, a menu will appear with options related to your Chrome profiles and account settings. From that menu, click on Manage Profiles. This will take you to the Profile Management screen, where you can see the different Chrome profiles available on that device. If you use multiple profiles for work, personal browsing, or different users, this is the place where Chrome lets you organize and control how those profiles appear. Now, while you are in the Manage Profiles section, look for the setting that says Show on Startup. Go ahead and check that option. Enabling this tells Chrome to display the profile selector each time the browser starts, instead of immediately opening the last profile that was used. This is especially helpful if more than one person uses the same computer, or if you like to keep separate Chrome profiles for different tasks. Turning this option on makes it easier to choose the correct profile right from the beginning, which can help keep bookmarks, history, extensions, and saved logins separated the way you want. After you check the Show on Startup option, the settings should apply right away. You can close the profile management screen and test it by completely closing Chrome, then reopening it. When Chrome starts again, you should now see the profile selector appear before entering a profile, and that's it. That's how to bring back the profile selector when clicking on Chrome. It's a small setting, but it can make a big difference if you manage multiple profiles and want more control every time the browser opens.